Wisconsin weather for 20 years. Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
After a high temperature of 50 today, much colder weather is moving in. We'll feel it tomorrow. Look for a high around freezing, lower to mid-30s on Saturday, and then we will start to warm up again as we head into early next week. Right now, we have temperatures that range from the lower 30s to the mid-50s, still 54 degrees in Fond du Lac. That cold front is now about right here, and it's pushing south and east, and the colder air is going to be working steadily south as we move through the next several hours. We had showers, pockets of dense fog, and a soaking rainfall across northeast Wisconsin today. There's a look at Lambeau Field as we moved through the afternoon into the early evening. This was not the warmest Thanksgiving. It was not the coldest. It won't be the snowiest, but it's looking like this Thanksgiving will be the wettest on record so far in Green Bay, about 0.6 of an inch of rain. We only need 0.08 of an inch of rain to tie the record, and we're going to do that within the next hour. Here's a look at precision radar showing that soaking rain moving across central and eastern Wisconsin. On the northern fringe of it, once again, we are looking at a mixture of some sleet and snow, and that rain-snow line will be steadily pushing south and east as we head throughout the evening. Now, once again, on the backside of the precipitation, we are looking at that wintry mix, and that's where we have a winter weather advisory north and west of the Fox Valley. That wintry mix is expected to last longer than the Fox Valley south and east, so the accumulations will be more, maybe 1 to 3 inches or so as we head throughout the night into tomorrow morning, and that will cause some slippery conditions. We have the cold front moving across the viewing area right now, and an area of low pressure moving north along it. Behind that cold front this afternoon, temperatures 15 to 20 to 25 degrees colder than what we saw yesterday. You can see 50s and 60s ahead of the front, behind it 30s, 20s, and teens. That colder weather is now working in. Watch the temperature drop throughout the evening. By tomorrow morning, upper 20s to lower 30s. Some of those puddles could be icy, so there could be slippery conditions tomorrow morning as you head out to do some shopping. And high temperatures tomorrow will only be in the lower half of the 30s. Precision Cast shows that rain once again mixing with and then changing over to some snow. It's not a huge area of snow, so we're not going to get a lot of snow out of the system, but a slushy, dusting to maybe an inch is possible by tomorrow morning. And then we'll see clouds mixing with some sunshine as we head into the afternoon. Once again, if you are shopping tomorrow, could be looking at some iciness out there later on tonight into tomorrow morning, maybe a lingering flurry, and then clouds slowly breaking into some sunshine. So tonight, windy and colder with rain going over to that wintry mix. Lows will be in the upper 20s. Tomorrow, maybe an early flurry, then lots of clouds, some late day sunshine. Windy and colder, look for a high right around freezing. If you're hunting tomorrow, look for a northerly wind at around 15 to 25 miles per hour. Lots of clouds, temperatures will be in the lower 30s. Wind chills will make it feel colder. 15 degrees Saturday morning, sun and clouds both Saturday and Sunday. On Monday, our next weather maker approaches with perhaps a late day shower, and then a chance for a little bit of rain or some snow as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday with high temperatures at or above normal for the most part. So November was a warm month, and we're going to start December on a relatively mild note as well, Megan.
All right, we just have to get through tonight, right?
Yes, it's going to be a wet one and then maybe a slippery one later on.
Be careful out there. Thanks, Cameron. Well, today, deal hunters have been counting down to Black Friday. Shopping is underway.